Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we have your exercise 11.3 from chapter Introduction to Algebra. Okay, so this is section A from 11.3. Question number 1 is pick out the solution from the value given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Okay, we have to choose. We have given this equation and within the brackets we have given some values of this variable. We have to substitute these values in this variable and we have to show that only one of them will satisfy this equation. Means if you substitute one of this value in this equation, the equation become true. Okay, means both the left hand side and the right hand side become equal for only one solution. But for other solutions, for other values, this solution doesn't become true. Means the left hand side doesn't not become equal to the right hand side. So we will choose the values one by one and let's prove are they equal or which one of these values satisfy this equation. So we have the first one is here n plus 12 is equal to 22 and the given values are 12, 8, 20 and 0. Okay, so let's take the first one of the value that let n is equal to 12. So means first we substitute the value of n, that is 12. Okay, so now substitute the value 12 plus 12 is equal to 20, because this is right hand side, this is not equal to 20, but as we have given the right hand side is equal to 20, so we will write right hand side. On the left hand side we will write the same value that we have 12 and 12, that will become 24. Now we can see 24 can never be equal to 20, so this means that 12 does not satisfy the equation. Okay, so let's substitute the next value. Let or when, we will use when because the value is already given to us, so we'll write when. So when n is equal to 8, what will we get? Are the equation true or not? So 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, so 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, that is equal to right hand side, hence both the right hand side and left hand side are true, so therefore n is equal to 8 satisfies the equation. Means for this value of the variable, the solutions, both the right hand side and left hand side of the equations are true. Okay, so let's take one more value for 20 and 0. I am going to solve this like here on the same equation. I am not going to write it here. So we have n plus 12, that is equal to 20. If we substitute 20 in place of n, then what will we get? 20 plus 12. Okay, if you write n is equal to 20, then you will write 20 plus 12. So 20 plus 12 is equal to 32. So 32 will never be equal to 20, so hence 20 also not satisfies the equation. And if you substitute 0, then 0 plus 12 is equal to 12. Okay, so that again is not equal to the right hand side of the equation, so therefore 0 also does not satisfy the equation. The only value which satisfies is 8. So I have solved it here how the value of 8 satisfies this equation. Okay, let's take one more example from the next part. Let's it's be part your 4. Q over 2 is equal to 7 and the values we have to use are 7, 2, 10 and 14. Okay, so substitute the first value. This is the division, so you have to divide this value, the variable, by 2. Okay, if you divide 7 first, let's take when Q is equal to 2. So when you divide Q, means 7 by 2, do you get 7? No. When you divide 7 by 2, you will get 3.5. Okay, so this is not equal to right hand side, so therefore it doesn't satisfy the equation. When you divide 2, when you take Q is equal to 2, then 2 divided by 2 will become 1, so again this is not equal. Next 10 divided by 2, so 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, so left hand side does not equal to the right hand side, so therefore this again does not satisfy the equation. So next number we have 14. So if we take 14 and divided by 2, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So hence for 14, n equal to 14 satisfies the equation. Okay. So this is the way to solve this question. You have to simply substitute the value which is given to you if turn by turn, and then find which value satisfies the equation. Satisfy the equation means both the sides of the equation should be equal. Okay, and solve the next other parts also by yourself. We'll meet you soon in our next video. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.